another what I eat in a day video. Today I just woke up feeling like having something a little bit lighter because last night I had the Korean army stew and overall it was pretty greasy. So this is the finished breakfast for today. So here we have our steamed purple sweet potatoes and the egg with baby kale, some beets and avocado. And yeah, it's gonna be a simple light breakfast. So I really love any type of like sweet potato, especially purple sweet potato. It's like super good. A tip to like making it cooked faster is to cut it into small cubes. Yeah, that way it's steamed a lot faster. Like I think it only took me like 15 minutes. I also have some beets here. I always like to keep some beets, cooked beets in my fridge. I think it's just like a great addition to any type of stir fries. Especially when I stir fry any type of greens like spinach or kale. I think it just adds like a touch of sweetness. The reason why I'm talking super quietly is because my sister is having her online class today. I'm just gonna get to eating and I'll talk to you guys afterwards. Here I found another great working position for myself. Like, look at this. Isn't this so nice? I'm also sitting on the floor against my bed, but it's like an upgrade from what I created last night. Like, look at the view. I have a little bit of the window opened up for some fresh air. And yeah, it's just super nice home office right here. Guys, it's time for my daily dose of coffee. Got myself a little latte macchiato here. I really love our coffee machine because like it makes the best milk foam. Drinking out of this cup, it just honestly feels like I'm at a coffee shop or something. And yes, I'm still speaking super quietly because she's still not done with her class and I don't want to interrupt. It's honestly one of my favorite moments of the day is when I have my cup of coffee. Cheers, and I'll see you guys after when I eat again. Hey guys, I finally changed my outfit. Yeah, I finally changed out of my workout outfit. It's been a while and I think like sometimes changing outfits can really help me like get to a different mindset, I guess. I find that like changing outfits motivates me. Like it brings me like a different kind of vibe. So, but anyways, I'm just gonna have my fruit of the day. Other than coffee, fruit is another thing that I must have every single day because like I think it's like very essential to bring me all of the vitamins, especially around this time because I definitely do not want to get sick. And today I'm eating some grapefruit and kiwi, and I also topped it off with a little bit of yogurt because I find that like sometimes these two fruits are both pretty sour and yogurt can really help neutralize the sourness. It's around, I think it's almost like 5 p.m. or something. So yeah, it's like not early. I think I'm gonna snack on my fruits and then wait for dinner. And right now I think I'm gonna read some books and watch some videos. I have everything set up over here. And I'll see you guys when I eat something else again. And by the way, you guys, the book I'm reading right now is called Sapiens. I think it just helps me regain a lot of that knowledge that I learned from college and high school about human history. And it's just like written in a very different perspective. It's not boring at all. It's not like one of those like, you know, like super boring, super long, never ending like history textbooks. It's written in a very like different perspective. And yeah, I would recommend this book to any of you if you're just looking for a good read on your free time. This is my little book recommendation. Today we're just gonna cook up some simple like Chinese stir fries. And here I have like basically all the ingredients. There's some like minced pork. I'm gonna stir fry that with this green veggie over here. It's called 雪里红 in Chinese, but yeah, it's just kind of like a bitter like Chinese mustard. And then we're also gonna make a stir-fry egg with bean sprouts and some chives. I have all the ingredients here. I'm just gonna quickly chop everything up and start stir-frying. So here's the finished stir fry. It's the minced pork and Chinese mustard and bean sprouts, eggs, and chives and pepper. Well, I don't know why my face is so red. Like, I think it's because like every time after I finish cooking, or like especially when I make stir fry, my face just turns like bright red. Like, yeah, anyways, I'm almost like done eating, but I just want to show you guys the dishes I made. It's just like very traditional Chinese stir fries. Here we have the Chinese mustard with minced pork, and I feel like this one goes really well with rice. You kind of just like mix it in like this, and just really nice. And like Chinese mustard has a slight bitter taste, so like some people might not get used to it, but I guess one other vegetable that's like super similar to Chinese mustard would be kale, I guess. Like they both have the same kind of texture, and it's both like a little bit bitter. So yeah, this is just gonna be my like very realistic Chinese homemade meal type of day. And I'm just gonna finish eating, and I will see you guys afterwards whenever I eat dessert or anything else. Alright, it's the end of the night, but I'm having this 2-ingredient chocolate banana ice cream for dessert. I made this a couple days ago, but it's basically made with only some frozen bananas and some cacao powder. The texture is so much like an ice cream, as you can see here, but you guys have to give it a try if you have some bananas at home, and it's super tasty.
Did you make some of those up? I think I'll have sleepy time. That sounds good to me.